and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn artificial intelligence based on functionality. In our previous video, we made mention that artificial intelligence is being categorized into two main types, which we said artificial intelligence is classified based on technology and also classified based on functionality. But in today's video, we are going to be focusing on based on functionality. Artificial intelligence based on functionality is classified based on four categories. One is the reactive machine, two, limited memory, three, theory of the mind. The last but not the least is what we call the self-awareness. We are going to go in details to explain the four types of artificial intelligence. Let's jump into explaining them. One is what we call the reactive machine. Reactive machine is a type of artificial intelligence system that operates solely based on the present input without any memory or consideration of the past states. That's what we call the reactive machine. It doesn't have the ability to form memories or learn from previous experiences. Reactive machine focuses on the present experiences. It doesn't have the memory to retain the previous experiences like human being. Examples of reactive machine include the basic chatbots or system that respond to specific triggers but doesn't possess the ability to retain information or learn over time. Like we said before, that reactive machine doesn't retain information of the past experience. It only work with what is present, like it work with the present information. That's what reactive machine does. Secondly is what we call the theory of the mind. Theory of the mind in artificial intelligence refers to the ability of an AI system to understand and attribute mental states, intentions, beliefs, and desires to oneself and others. In the context of artificial intelligence, self-awareness refers to the capability of an AI system to recognize its own existence as a distinct entity, understand its own capability, and have some level of interception. That's what we understand by self-awareness. The last but not the least is what we call the limited memory. Limited memory refers to the ability of an AI system to retain and recall a certain amount of past information or experiences. This is the opposite of a reactive machine. Reactive machine doesn't retain past information or past experiences, but limited memory retain every past experiences, every past event that has happened. A limited memory retains all. Some AI system can incorporate limited memory to enhance their decision making and learning capability. Limited memory can enable AI system to recognize patterns, make predictions, and adapt to their behavior based on their past observation. It's important to note that the memory capacity in AI system is typically much more limited compared to human memory, and it often relies on structured representation of data rather than subjective recollection. Like we said earlier, that we have four types of AI, which is based on functionality. We made mention of AI, which is reactive memory, theory of the mind, self-awareness, and the last but not the least, which is limited memory. Thank you for watching our video today. Please go back to our previous videos to watch our lessons on artificial intelligence, and do wait to always turn on the notification button to know when we are posting our new videos, and try to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in our next video.